In today's video, I'm going to share with you tips on how to promote your affiliate programs. Coming up. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, a lot of tutorials out there make it like it's very simple and it's very easy to get started with. But I can tell you right now that it's not as straightforward as this video tried to make. You need to have a solid strategy in order for you to be able to be successful with your affiliate marketing. So I want to share with you how I do it and what I recommend that you do in order for you to become successful. So first of all, getting a product to promote is very easy. I mean, anyone can do it. In 5 minutes right now, you can go in and sign up for a product to promote. Even using services like Amazon. Amazon has a great affiliate program. Very, very easy to sign up. But the most difficult part is getting that traffic to the products that you want to promote, because this is not easy. So there's two ways you can do this. You can do it through paid advertising, which can be a bit tricky. I mean, I've lost a lot of money with this. You can also do it using organic content. So here's the thing. First of all, for you to be able to become successful with this, you need to have a blog. So the blog is where you're going to be adding all your content onto. Okay, so once you add all your content onto the blog, you also need to have some way of capturing emails. So you want to have a mailing list. So let's say before the person goes and purchases that product, you need to have their email address. So you need to find a bridge page or create a bridge page. And I do that as well. So if you go to my, in fact, why don't I show you? All right, so let me just show you what I do in my process. So if we take a look here, I'm promoting Divi for this example. So what you may want to do is to create a bridge page. I call this a bridge page. In fact, I think I got that name from Russell Brunson. He calls it a bridge page. All right, so this is the page where people land before they buy the products. Now, why is this important? So a lot of beginners out there who go into affiliate marketing, they will just get the email link, or get the link of the product they want to promote and promote that link on social media with content. And when people click on it, they go straight to the product. So you can see how this can become very, very difficult to track and manage. And in fact, most of the time you're going to be losing money. So what I do is I find something to go along with the product that I'm promoting. For example, with Divi, I'm giving away bonuses. In fact, if you are new to web design and you'd like to design professional looking websites, if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, I will give you access to my bonuses. And it so happens that we're actually on the bonuses page. So when you promote your products, in this case, Divi, before they buy, they land on this page. And then here is where you give them the bonuses. So for example here, these are my bonuses. So I'm giving away the web design formula. It costs $497. I'm also giving away Photoshop for web designers, value $97, and also WordPress Mastery. And this one is free. Now, why am I doing this? Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to give extra value to anyone that buys Divi for using my affiliate link. So in exchange for that, if I get their email address here, I'm going to know where I'm going to send the bonuses. Okay. So if they send the email address here saying they're interested and they enter the email address. So let's say I add an address here. What happens is I get to have their email address. And then when click buy now, they actually go to the Elegant Themes website. So on their website, they buy the product. So here it is. This is the landing page. They buy Divi. So there's two options here. There's the yearly access, $89, and there's the lifetime access, $249. All right. So once they've bought the product on this landing page, and by the way, this takes them here to this page using my affiliate link. So once they verify this, then I know that, okay, they used my affiliate link, and because I have their email address and I can verify that with the receipt that they send me. So this is why I prefer to do it this way. Right. So once you have them on the list like that, let's say, for example, you have a brand new course that you're working on that you want to sell. Now, because you have them on the list and they came because they bought Divi, chances are they're going to want to see a new course about Divi or about web design. So you can then sell them that course because they are already on your mailing list with a discount. So this is why you'll find that when more people will actually buy it because it's relevant. A lot of people say emails don't work anymore because they're spammy and all of that. They are only spammy if they're trying to sell you things that you don't care about. Like for example, I'm not a pet owner. So if I start seeing emails in my mailing in my mailbox about pets and all of that, yeah, I'm just gonna ignore them and send them to the spam folder. But if it's related to things that I'm passionate about or things that I'm actually interested in, then chances are I'll click on it. And to be honest, I have very high open rates as a result of the strategy that I'm showing you. Now let's move on to the next thing, and this one here is very, very important. We spoke about the bridge page. Now let's talk about the traffic source. So over here, what I've done is I've just searched for how to shave your head smooth. I know I've been giving examples about restaurants and all of that. So let's say you're a barber and you want to create a blog and promote products to do with, hairstyling and, all that kind of stuff, which you can find a lot on Amazon anyways. So I've just searched here how to shave your head smooth. Notice what happens. The first result here is a YouTube video. Now, a lot of people are going to be talking about SEO out there. SEO is great, it's amazing, and yes, it is. But it's very, very difficult to compete for this keyword right here from your blog, especially if it's a new blog. It's very, very difficult. In fact, to be honest, in my case, I've almost given up on SEO because it's so difficult to rank for these keywords. Now, let's come over here now. Let me show you. Now, this is a free tool called Ubersuggest. Now, I've done the same thing. I've added my keyword here, how to shave your head smooth. If you take a look at the search results here, you'll see that my first result is a YouTube video. And you may be thinking, well, why? If there are websites out there that are authority websites, which could be ranking first. Now, let's go to shavers, shavers.co.uk. I've never really looked at this website. Let's have a look. Let's go to this URL so we can see. Oops, let me just do that. Okay, shavers.co.uk. And you can see here, they also have a blog. So they do have a blog as well, which also emphasizes the point that you need to have a blog for your affiliate marketing to work. So over here, you can see this is an established website. I mean, if you look at the article here, it's well written and it's long. It has quite a lot of information, and they're also doing some promotions, by the way. So I think here they are promoting these products, and this is how they are making money on their website. So as you scroll here, chances are if you try to compete against this article, it's almost impossible because this looks like a very established brand and they've got a ton of content. So if you're brand new to affiliate marketing and you like to promote your products, I would recommend you go and create videos. So videos tend to rank much better than the articles. So it just depends here that on the niche you're going for. Sometimes, the articles may rank higher, but that's mostly because maybe there isn't enough popular video content out there. And also, and this is one of the very important points I need to emphasize here. When people are searching on Google and you see the search results. Now, when you see the search results in text form and there's also a video, like for example, I mean, this you'd have done quite well in order for you to show up here. But what you normally see is this. So when you scroll down here and you see, oh, okay, we have Gillette here, we have shavers.co.uk, but this stands out more. So it just hooks your eye in, and because of this video icon as well, you want to go in and see exactly what it is. So this is why video tends to work much better than the articles. So if you were to write an article about how to shave your head smooth, you're competing with Gillette on the blogs. So I'm sure you can agree Gillette has been out there for a very long time, and it's going to be very difficult for a beginner to rank with this new, with your articles. So this is why I highly recommend that you use video and look for keywords like long tail keywords. I've done a video on how to look for topics on YouTube popular topics to do videos for. So you can check out that video. I'll add it in the video description below, or you can just, check out my YouTube channel and you see those videos there. So this is the strategy that I would use if you want to promote products on your, you want to promote products for your affiliates. Alright guys, so this is my strategy on how to promote your affiliate products. Do it with the videos, maybe with the articles. If you have a very popular blog, articles could work. But to get started with, I would, definitely go for video, because as you can see, the videos are ranking much better than the articles. So that's my strategy. Let me know what you guys think in the video comments below. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.